Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to store it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. So if you're catching this video, it's because you want to know how to make money with Phil Agent, and I'm here to give you my review on this wonderful app to make extra money so you can pay off those debt monkeys. And so, hey, if you owe, you need money to pay back. So again, so here I'm on the website, Phil Agent. Definitely, this is great because it's simply used for your iPhone or your Android device. And so, yes, I'm an iPhone user, so do not hold this against me. And so, you guys, this wonderful app, the way to make money is great, but hey, you are going to trade your time your time for money. And so again, that means that you have to go out the house and do these assignments. So again, you're trading your time for dollars. And so you guys, if you saying, Delshawn, I don't want to do that, hey, down in the description box is my number one recommendation how to make money online to start an online business. So go ahead and click down there in a comment, my number one recommendation if you don't want to trade time for dollars. So again, this app, I'm doing a review, and so this app is great. Hey, great way to make extra income. However, let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, it's simply used for your iPhone or Android device to gather specific information. Then you get paid. But hey, I'm going to tell you about the review of how I got paid, right? And so again, you can read through here. Again, this is Phil Agent, and so make money, make a difference. And so down here, it's the steps. You download the Phil Agent app on your cell phone. So again, it's pretty much, the steps are pretty easy. And so if you got an iPhone or you got an Android, you can download this app. You have to complete your agent profile and then find jobs near you. So what great thing about this is that you have to have your location on there. So you're getting assignments, based on your location. And so that is great. So I have only done one assignment, so I can do this review. And so the one assignment for me to go maybe 2.3 miles from my house, and I was supposed to take pictures of the exterior and answer questions. Now, let me tell you about that. If you do not answer or complete this job right, you will not get paid for it. So if you do something in the process, you cannot go back and edit it. So you guys, when you are doing these jobs or these assignments, you have to follow the instructions. And so the app walks you through the process. But again, if you do not do it correctly, you will not get paid, right? So my thing is keep on going down here. Here's all the facts and the questions that you may need. And so let me go ahead and give you a review of what happened to me. So I did assignment. Again, I went around about 2.3 miles from me. It was a assisted living building. My job was to take pictures on the exterior part, the signs, and I had to answer like 16 questions, right? So I did that job on August the 6th of this year, 2019. It took to August the 9th for them to approve my job. So once you do it, you submit it, then you have to wait until somebody approves it. And so when you go into the app, you would go into let me go ahead and pull this up to make sure that I'm saying this right. So you're going to the statistic part in the app. And so you will see a check bar. If it's gray, it means that it's still pending, is not approved yet. And so once it turned green, your job assignment or your job has been approved, right? So again, it took 3 days for them to approve my job. Once it was approved, then I had to go on my dashboard like this, because you have your dashboard, and then I had to verify my account. So when you sign up, you have to make sure that you plug in your banking information, right? So it's deposited straight to my bank account. So once I approved it, once I wanted to cash out, and this job paid me $7, right? Then I had to cash it out. Then I had to verify my account. And so how to verify your account, they're going to deposit a small amount in your account. It was like 1 cent. Then you had to go back in there and then verify that account, right? Then once they verify the account, you can cash out, and then it deposits 2 or 3 days in my account. From the time I did my job on August the 6th, I did not get completed or in my deposit until the 13th. So that was 7 whole days, not business days, but 7 whole days from the time I did my job until it was deposited in my account. So you guys, this is a great money. Again, you're trading time for your money. And so if you're like, oh my goodness, Delshawn, I don't want to do that, then make sure that you click my number one recommendation, how to make money online is awesome. And so when you click that link down in the description box, it will take you to a video. Watch the video, and then it's going to prompt you to go ahead and get the training and the tools for $1, right? $1, you guys. And so you can't beat $1, 4 quarters, 10 dimes, 100 pennies. Make sure that you go ahead and complete that if you want to make money online, because hey, this channel is all about, hey, becoming debt free. So hey, if you need extra money, this is the places for you. I also will put the link to this app in the description box as well. There's no affiliate link to it. So hey, if you click on it, I'm not getting paid for it. So you guys, I'm not making money off of this app right here. But I really wanted to share with you the process. What I would do, or suggest what I would do, is, hey, if you're going out, right? If you're going out, then hey, maybe accept a job on the way, right? So that you're not trading dime for dollars. So if I was heading to my sister's house, just for example, and there was assignment in that area, hey, I might accept that assignment and go ahead and get paid on the way. But again, you're trading time for dollars. And so again, click the link for my number one recommendation in the comment, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Make sure you make sure that you like, comment. Hey, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification, so the next time that I upload another video, hey, you're the first one to know. And I will talk to you later.